Hey there, today we're going to look at Bosch fridge ice maker not working. So let's get started. First, check if the ice maker is turned on. Over here, make sure the switch or button for the ice maker is turned on. It's usually found behind the ice bucket or on the front of the dispenser. After that, inspect the water supply. Ensure the water supply is turned on and the line is securely connected to the refrigerator. Then clean or replace the water filter. If it's clogged or installed incorrectly, replace it following the manufacturer's instructions. Next, adjust the freezer temperature. The temperature should be below 10 degrees Fahrenheit, ideally between 0 degrees Fahrenheit and 5 degrees Fahrenheit for proper ice production. Over here, clear any ice buildup. Use a warm cloth or hairdryer on low heat to melt any frozen blockages in the ice maker or water line. After that, check for faulty components. If it still doesn't work, there might be an issue with the ice maker module or control board, which may need replacement by a professional. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.